Want to know the fastest way to tell if your technician that you're working with or have or trying to hire is honest? Unfortunately, you got to look at their work. Now, here's a little bit of context, and let me go into a little bit of detail here for you folks. I'm sitting here at the beachfront. You can see it in the background, or let me see if I can get it focused for you. This is the beachfront that I grew up at. There's a playground in that backyard. And 40 years ago, there were all kinds of stuff back there. The tall metal slides that were there, gone. The sketchy climbing bars, gone. Everything's softer now, safer now, maybe a little bit cleaner, but not nearly as dangerous. And weirdly, in our industry, it doesn't matter whether you fix planes, trains, boats, automobiles, diesel, doesn't matter. They're going the opposite direction. That's why it's really important that we do the hard things. We do the dangerous things cautiously, safely, but we do the dangerous things safely. Why? Because the customer's requests of us haven't changed. What they need us to do hasn't changed. The stuff has gotten safer for the customer, but not necessarily any safer for us as technicians. When it comes to picking that technician, you don't want a soft technician. You want a technician who's willing to go the extra mile. Not necessarily for free, but you want them to dig into the challenge, do the jobs nobody else wants to do, get those customers in, get them fixed, get them gone. And I said that very specifically, not the car, the customer. The customers need to be fixed. They need to understand what it is that we're capable of doing. They need to be educated. We need to be transparent with them. And in order to do that, we need to have good technicians being honest, doing the hard work. A really great way to show that we're doing the hard work is doing videos. You do a video before, doing pre-inspection. If it's a large job, you do a video in the middle. It's like, hey, this is what's going on. And you do the video at the end. It's like, hey, we're done. This is how awesome it looks. Thank you for your business. Technicians who go the extra mile are willing to do that for you. Honest technicians are willing to put in the work. So unfortunately, the only real way to know whether a technician is honest or not is to get them to do some work. And then you let the customer decide whether it's good enough or not. However, you can get a little pre-glimpse of that by video. The honest technician has nothing to hide. In fact, the best techs want you to see the work because they're proud of it. People trust what they can see. Now, it's time for you to go out and sell the work. Negative pushes, positive pulls, and always clean your toys before you put them away.